So the night after a rainy day, I delete all your pictures, I walk away from you. Nights are the hardest, but I'll be okay. If we are meant to be, hey, we'll find a way. But now, let it be. 'Cause you know what they say, you love somebody, you gotta set them free. I love you, but I'm letting go. I love you, but I'm letting go. I love you and I'm letting go. I love you, but I'm letting go. A little dead on all of your easy, but why was it so hard? It was like never enough. I gave you, still you want more. Can't you say that you want someone that I know? Yes, I love, but I can't, so I am letting you go now. And baby, one day when you finally find what you want, and you're ready to open your heart to anyone, don't push people away again. It's here, I know, but it's also very lonely.